It's now or never, don't surrender, we came to...
Hello guys, I'm at the CSI Command, and today we're doing some Atlantico and World Warships Legends. Sorry for the lack of uploads this week. Life has kind of gotten in the way. I've been trying to do some grinding off camera, get the D7 Provincian, and restart playing World War Tanks Blitz again. So expect a few videos on that on the channel sooner or later. Let's see, we are going to go towards A today. Hopefully this will be a good match. I need a good match anyways. Cause I have literally ran out of content to post. Otherwise I have to make a music video, which won't be half bad, but I need to have a commentary video, honestly. If I get 75,000 downloads, this will be a video I post, or at least 50, which I do think is possible. 50 to 75 will be my ideal amount. Any more would definitely make this into a video I'll post. I'm a week behind on the weekly Havoc. I'm about 3/4 of this week behind. So I'm still trying to grind it out. Should be, after this I need to get global XP, then I need to get the fires, then maybe the spots, then I need to do the hard part. Then that's the weekly Havoc's done, then we go on to next week and I get D7 Provincian. Which shouldn't take too much longer, I think. It's probably sometime in next week I'll have it.
I need support fire. We've been marked.
Orchard chop spotted. Engaging with main battery. Fire control target Ochekhov. I just want one hit on target. Yes! He got one of his guns. Is that going to damage con then?
Reporting strategic target coordinates.
Getting the guns on station. Target that, Sean Norris. He's primary.
Enemy battleship sighted.
1,000 damage of an overpen.
Torpedoes.
Keep closing now.
Incoming. Frontal assault.
No, I'm killing us. Turn.
Torpedoes. Dead ahead.
We're gonna eat 1 or 2 torps here.
A breach beneath the waterline. Flooding rapidly. Oh. I need support fire. Issue resolved, Captain.
I need backup over here. This Sharn is gonna be a bit of a problem if we don't get rid of him.
Fire alarm layers.
I want double fired. I don't like that. He's trying to drop torps. Did I get his launcher? Hopefully I did.
Torpedoes. Enemy dead ahead. Battlefield rifle to an impressive start. Torpedoes. Incoming. Frontal assault artillery backup.
Target that Hawk. Main battery.
Back to safety.
If I do, I'm going to die. Either way, I'm going to die here. If I can just get a little bit more damage, I'll be happy. Yep. Well, that was unfortunate. Well, and to do this is I can open up the rest of your day, everybody.